your fingers in that. Again. What's she doing? You're gonna have some yogurt. You're gonna have some yogurt. Oh my goodness! You're not supposed to do that. You're very bold. You're very bold. Miss! You're very bold.